Hello viewers, welcome to Nature Poultry Farm Africa Limited, where we rear chicks from day 1 old to maturity, 6 months, and we sell at any stage. So this is Sasso chickens. They are already producing eggs, 75% to 80%. They are of good health. They are 7.1 months old. You can see we have relocated them to this big house so that they get enough space for exercise. We've placed 2 ladders for resting at night, and laying chamber. You can see we've put some troughs containing sand, and instead of feeders we have made wooden feeders to accommodate all of them. They are 96 in number. We initially started with 462, but we sold some on the way, and we remained with this number, which we are currently working on, and they are doing very well. We give them some greens. We mix some herbs in their drinking water to prevent a lot of ailments like coccidiosis and other deadly diseases like gumboro, name them. So here is a bucket. You dip water inside. There's a disinfectant inside. You dip your legs, before entering this chicken house. There is a tray here which we use to collect eggs when they lay, and we are still improving. Since we started from here, you can see the old structure. These are improvised cages made of wood and steel wool, wire mesh. There is a cork here inside which is stubborn. We've decided to let it roam outside to prevent others from getting injured from this cork. We've got around 4 corks inside. So this is the biggest one, which weighs around 4 kgs. We decided to let it stay outside to prevent a lot of fight. So we initially started from here, and this is our brooding chamber, which we are preparing. You can see the fan is still running and there is no chicken here, so let's put it off to save power. So we keep our feeds here for the whole month, and everything is perfect. So we want to show you also how to make a modern wood stove, Let's go inside and check. We started from scratch, and this is how it's made. We used bricks, sand and cement. This is fire chamber 1, fire chamber 2, and you can see holes where you place your sufurias. This is a small sufuria, this is extra large sufuria, and this is a smoke chamber which leads the smoke outside through the chimney, and the smoke goes out. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nature Poultry Farm Africa. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Nature Poultry Farm Africa Limited, TikTok, Instagram, all social media platform. You can find us there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.